हेलो माय यूट्यूब फैमिली, वेलकम टू बेस्ट इंग्लिश क्लासेस। मैं हूं डॉक्टर प्रतीक और आज हम लोग कर रहे हैं आइलेट्स के लिए एक इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन। तो मेरे साथ हैं एक आइलेट्स एस्पिरेंट भव्या और हम इनसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे और देखते हैं ये उसका कैसा रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं। सो भव्या, योर क्वेश्चन इज टेल अस अबाउट एन ओकेजन व्हेन यू लॉस्ट समथिंग। एक ऐसे समय के बारे में बताएं जब आपसे कोई चीज गुम गई थी। What you lost, when and where you lost it, what you did to find it, and explain how you felt about it. Okay, you may start.
Okay, so I'm a very careless person since I was a child. Like I used to lose number of things, but the most recent thing I lost was my gold earrings. Actually, like gold is very expensive nowadays, but due to my carelessness, I lost my gold earrings. It was about a couple of months back when I went to my cousin's wedding. At that time,
Sorry.
I was wearing my gold earrings, but as any other girl, I want to put bigger earrings in my ears so that which match my dress. So I kept my gold earrings aside and wore that one. But I forgot about the earrings due to the hustle and bustle of the wedding. I was just very busy in being ready or doing number of things. There were number of tasks I have to do. I had to do that time. So yes, at that time I lost my earrings and I was very worried about that situation, and my mother scolded me also. But yes, that was the time I never found that earrings. Yes.
Okay. So Bhavya, you spoke very well. Definitely there were some grammatical mistakes, but your confidence speak for yourself. You speak very well and all the best for your future. Thank you.
Thank you.